Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a corn dog. So, to start off with our corn dog, we are going to start right here on our paper, and I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up and around like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, and I'm going to curve up. And as I curve up, I'm going to get it a little bit wider and then come in here and meet this line. So I'm just going to kind of curve out. And then as I just kind of come up, I'm just going to curve around and then just kind of meet this one. Now, down here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, over, and then comes back up for the bottom of the corn dog. Now for the stick. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down, and then it's just going to curve all the way back up to here. Now, there are lots of different toppings you can put on here, lots of things. So we're just going to draw like some ketchup or mustard on there. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line, and I'm just going to make this kind of wavy all the way down to about here. Then starting back here at the top, I'm going to curve this around, and I'm just going to redraw this exact same shape, and I'm going to try to keep it as close to the same thickness as I can, and then just connect it at the bottom. Then I'm just going to add a couple little broken lines down the side just to kind of give it a little bit more detail. And then I'm going to add some broken lines onto the stick just to make it look like it's made out of wood. And there you go. There is your drawing of a corn dog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you like these videos and click the little bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.